Hi everyone, my name is Maria Angel. I just want to share with you some breathing exercise, some breathing stretching so you can do this as you wake up. It's really nice just to take your time to breathe, and it's really nice for your mind to keep it calm on these times. So I really like, and I can share with you one of my favorite books for breathing. This is called The Breathing Book. You can find it on Amazon or on the bookstores, and it's really nice because it explains really good everything about your respiratory system, and it has a lot of exercise you can practice. So I'm using this, and I'm just adding some of my favorite things from my practice. So you can do this on a chair if this is not your comfortable seat, or you can use a block or a pillow underneath your seat. Just make sure you're as comfortable as you can. And as you find that, just relax your shoulders back and down. Take a nice and deep breath, and then exhale. All right. So now from here, you inhale and lift your arms up, and then exhale and hands on your knees. Inhale, arms up, and then exhale. One more, inhale, and then exhale. Very good. Then from here, lift the arms and then roll the shoulders back, and then take it one more time. Inhale up, roll the shoulders back, exhale, and then one more, inhale. And as you exhale, you can just keep your fingertips behind you, or you can clasp your hands, or you can just reach one of your wrists. You can choose. And as you do this, then roll the shoulders back, extend the arms down, lift the chest, and then inhale and exhale. And then just feel how the front of your body is moving with your breath. Inhale, and then exhale. Then one more, inhale, and then exhale. Nice, release. Bring the arms back. Nice. Now inhale, roll the shoulders back, and then exhale, relax the arms down. Very nice. Now you can reach one of your wrists, or again you can just centralize your fingers and extend your arms forward. I'm gonna grab my wrist, and then you extend your arms forward and then curve your back as much as you can. And then from here, breathe deep breath. Inhale, and then exhale. So you can feel your breath on your back. The back of your body is moving. Inhale, and then exhale. Inhale, and then exhale. Great. Then lift your arms up. Inhale, and as you exhale, release. Now place one hand on the floor and then the other hand on your ribs. And then from here, as you can stretch your arm a little bit farther from your hip, and then just look up or keep looking forward, and inhale, and then exhale, and feeling how your ribs and your side body is moving with your breath. Inhale, and then exhale, and one more, and then exhale. And this one, lift the arm, inhale, and then exhale, and release. Now let's try the other side. So you put your other hand on the ribs, and then the hand just a little bit farther from your leg, and then come over this side, and then inhale and exhale. Feel your breath now on this side. Inhale Then exhale. And then one more inhale. And then exhale. Nice. Let's take this arm over. Stretching the side body and then release. Very nice. Now roll the shoulders back. Put your hands on your knees and curve your back. Good. Now inhale, lift the arms up. Draw the arms back and put your hands on the back of your head. And then exhale and release. And inhale up. Press with your head into your hands. And then exhale, release. One more inhale. And then exhale, release. Very good. Now just rest your hands on your legs, whatever your position is, and you can do this on your backs if you feel like you cannot be much time sitting on easy seated pose. And then let's try our breathing and our next breathing exercise, which is, it is called in the book 3-part breath. I've been practicing another that we call it, but with the translation, it's maybe called different in English. But this is a really nice exercise to keep your mind focused and then help you to relax. So what we do is we take a full inhale and then we divide in 3 parts our exhalation. So you inhale fully and then exhale and pause. Then continue your exhalation and pause. And then exhale and pause. And then inhale again. Now every time you pause, it's very quick. It's not like you're holding your breath. It's just a really quick pause, so you don't feel like you're holding or you're struggling to breathe. And then the thing is that you need to try to how to divide in equal parts that exhalation. So that's the challenge here. So you need to really be focused. So let's try a couple of rounds and then I will leave you so you can do it some of them on your own. All right, here we go. Relax your shoulders. You may close your eyes. Then take a deep breath in. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Inhale. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Inhale. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Exhale. Pause. Inhale. Great. Now you can keep going at your own pace, so you need to figure it out how to divide those exhalations into equal parts. Just keep going. And if this is too much for you, you can take 1 or 2 deep breaths between each cycle. So you will do a 3-part exhalation, then take 1 or 2 deep breaths, and then take another 3 breaths. Breathe in, and then you keep going in this way. Perfect. You can keep doing this for a while. Let's say you can take like 5 to 7 complete 3-part breath. with 1 or 2 complete breaths in between. And yes, you can do as many as you want to, and then when you finish doing this, then you can just keep your eyes closed and then slow and relaxing breath to feel how is your mind more calm and more relaxed. So if you have any question, you can comment below or just ask me on Facebook as well. I love to hear about how was your practice. So thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful